Man, cuz is out here tweaking big.
So this massive roof lift off. My YouTube and Facebook on there. Just about to take shelter on this thing. This shows you the dangers of these giant roofs getting lofted. It only takes about an 80-90 mile an hour wind out here. And then it crashed into this power pole here. Looks like the power is out in Houma, and a lot worse is here to come. A lot worse is on its way as the intermodal is about to arrive here in Houma.